Choosing a college after 12th nowadays has become more confusing. 10 years before, the options were simple, like you can do engineering, commerce, arts, science. The options were very simple. But nowadays, choosing which degree or which university you need to choose, it's very difficult. Today, there are hundreds of universities, thousands of courses. It's very difficult to choose which university you need to go for because every university claims that I am the best. But here's the problem. The future itself has changed. Artificial intelligence is changing industries. Data analytics is becoming a core business function. Product management is becoming one of the fastest growing careers. Technology and business are no longer separate words. Yet, many undergraduate degrees are still teaching students in the same way they did years ago. So recently, I came across one of the major program by IIT Jodhpur, which is BS in Management and Technology. Before anyone says it's IIT, so it must be good. Let's stop. Because whenever I review any course, I don't look at the brand. I look at the curriculum, the skills, the opportunities, the placements they are offering. And finally, whether it actually prepares students for the next decade or not. So, in today's video, I am reviewing IIT Jodhpur's BS program, exactly the same way I review data analytics programs. No marketing, no paid claims, just a honest review for you all. Let's first understand something. Hiring market has changed. Earlier, companies were hiring specialists, but now companies are looking for the professionals, those who can work with multiple domains together. For example, data analyst nowadays doesn't just write SQL queries. They understand businesses, they communicate insights, they work with product managers, marketing team, leadership. Similarly, software engineers today need AI, need technology understanding, and business professionals need analytics in their work. The gap between business and technology is disappearing, and education has to change too. And that is exactly the idea behind IIT Jodhpur's BS in Management and Technology. Instead of teaching just the technology or just the management, they combine both, which is making it a best program. So let's understand what exactly is this whole program all about. This is a 4-year undergraduate BS degree offered by IIT Jodhpur. The program consists of 141 credits across 47 courses over 8 semesters, integrating management, technology, AI, and innovation into one structured curriculum. One thing I found interesting is that this program is not limited to only science students. Students from science, commerce, arts can apply provided they meet the eligibility criteria and qualify through the admission process. That immediately makes the audience much wider. Instead of forcing students to choose only traditional path, this program helps in build skills which is relevant for the modern technologies. But we need to check, does the curriculum actually support that? Let's see. This is the part actually matters the most. Whenever I review any educational program, I ignore advertisements, false claims. I just look at the curriculum. Always open the syllabus and check what you will study in every semester because your future depends on that. Looking at the curriculum, I noticed that students are exposed to areas such as artificial intelligence, data and business analytics, technology management, product management, business strategy, innovation, economics, entrepreneurship, digital transformation, leadership. Notice something here. This program just isn't creating only coders, nor only managers. Instead, it is creating the business professionals, those who can work with the technology and businesses together. And honestly, it reflects where industries are moving today. As I work with the data analytics ecosystem every day, I can for sure say that the professionals, those who have a multiple skills in multiple domains, are very valuable. One thing that I always tell to my all the students that companies don't hire degrees or the certifications. Companies hire skill sets. A degree can help you to be shortlisted in any company, but the skill will help you to get selected. You do one thing, imagine two candidates applying for the same job role. The first candidate have all the theoretical knowledge, have the degrees and the certifications as well. But the other candidate have the degree certifications but have a very good skill set, like very good with the technology, AI, analytics, communication, presentation, and have a very good analytical thinking and have a very good projects as well. Who do you think companies would prefer? Exactly. This program of IIT Jodhpur helps you to develop the same skill set. Also, focus on building your broader profile. Let me tell you one thing, no college can guarantee you the success if you don't learn beyond the classroom. Now, let's see who should consider this program. Now, let me answer this practical question. Who is this program actually for? I think it's worth exploring if you enjoy technology, want to understand AI, like solving business problems, are interested in product management, want to explore data analytics, want future oriented skills. However, if your goal is specifically core mechanical, core civil, core electrical, or a traditional BTech focused engineering career, then compare both the options carefully and then decide. There is no one size fits all answer. Your goals, your career goals will decide your future and your college. Now, if you are watching this video till here and if you are thinking that this sounds interesting, how can I apply? Then here's the process. Visit the official IIT Jodhpur online degree website, complete the online application, then pay the 999 application plus qualifier examination fee. This fee covers both your application and the entrance assessment. Now, an important clarification. This is not JEE. You don't need to qualify through JEE Main or JEE Advanced. Instead, students go through IIT Jodhpur's own qualifier process designed to assess aptitude and readiness for the program. So once you qualify, you complete the admission process and document verification, and then you confirm the seat. If you are eligible, I must tell you, you download the brochure from the official website and check the curriculum carefully. Many students ask is, if this is an online program, do I still get a relevant IIT experience? According to IIT Jodhpur, students learn from IIT faculty, receive an IIT Jodhpur degree upon successful completion, and also get opportunities for annual campus immersion. So, let's talk about, if you are thinking that IIT Jodhpur BS in Management and Technology degree is worth considering, here's my opinion. Don't choose it simply because it says IIT or give you the IIT degree. And don't reject it because it's not a conventional BTech. Instead, you ask yourself these four questions. First, do I enjoy technology? Second, am I interested in AI, analytics, and business together? Third, does this curriculum align with the kind of career I want 5 years from now? And fourth, am I willing to continuously build my skills through these 4 years? If your answer is yes, then definitely you can shortlist this program. If you would like to know more, then I have put IIT Jodhpur's program page in the description below. You can explore the curriculum, admission process, important dates, time, everything to start and begin your application process. So in the end, I just want to say, if you are genuinely interested, then please do your research, compare the options, choose what fits best for your career goals. If you found the review helpful, then please let me know in the comment box. Let me know what is the next program you want me to analyze. I'll see you in the next video.